Look at this. Doesn't this look delicious? I've got shrimp tacos with avocado for you. It's going to be delicious and you're going to love it. So let's get cooking. So the first thing that we do is season the shrimp. Here I have 12 pre-cooked shrimp and everything has been taken off. The tails and intestines. So now we could add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon and pepper seasoning, half a teaspoon of chili powder and a pinch of salt. And all of this. To this we could add a dash of lime juice. So we could now put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Next we could make the taco sauce. Here I have 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, cilantro, lime and avocado. We will make it into a small paste and the other half will be used to garnish the taco. Splash of lime, cilantro. Really good mix. Wow! This is really good. Taco sauce is looking awesome. Alright, the pan is nice and hot and we could add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I use olive oil. Here I have half a cup of peppers, half a cup of onions and half a cup of green peppers. Let's fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. To this we could add half a teaspoon of chili powder, pinch of salt, and I also have mild taco seasoning just for that extra flavor. Give it a good mix. Since the shrimp is pre-cooked, don't let it cook for too long. We can just let it cook for about 2 minutes on either sides so that it doesn't get overcooked. Doesn't this look colorful? We could now set this aside. Are you excited? We could now fry the tacos. Now comes the fun part. I'm sure you're excited. So let's add the shrimp. This is going to be yummy. Now we can add the sauce. A little bit of cheese. Here I use mozzarella cheese. A dash of lime. Look at this. Doesn't this look delicious? If you love the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for all the latest videos that come out every week. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.